So I think we are recording. Yep. Till now we have done like 75% of the work for the from the original work. So till now like we have added the basic styling of the of the web page. Okay. So now we have to tune or what is the word? We have to make it more what's that word? Responsive. Yeah. We have to make this more responsive. That's what it lacks. So I can okay, so show preview. Yep. Yeah. So I think yeah. Okay, it's okay, but it lacks that thing. How can I do that? This, how to do it? I know the media query thing. Okay, let's search first. Okay, media query animation web page. Okay. Let's see some YouTube videos. Okay. View all. Let's see this one. Yeah, ads.
একটা টিকটক পাওয়া যাবে কি? टिकटैक फ्रेश वाइब रिफ्रेश।
ये है अपना गोकुल भाई, देखो कैसी शामत आई।
You might be wondering why there's a chameleon in the thumbnail of this video. A chameleon can change its color and pattern, adapting its appearance to match its environment. The chameleon's ability to quickly and seamlessly change its appearance is a skill to be admired. And what I'm suggesting is that we ought to be more like the chameleon when creating our responsive layouts. You've built yourself a header component. Your header has a title on the left, a menu in the middle, and a sign up button on the right. Your header looks good on large viewports, however, when you resize the page, eventually your header breaks. You need a way to add styles on smaller viewports. This is exactly what media queries do. They allow you to target specific viewport sizes and apply styles on them. Resizing the page, we see our header breaks on a width of 1231 pixels. The title gets displayed on 2 lines and the button becomes huge. The syntax for adding a media query is @media, parentheses, and curly braces. In between the media and parentheses, I can specify which media type I want to target. If I say screen, then this media query will only apply styles on screens such as computer screens, tablets, mobile phones, etc. If I say print, then this media query will only apply styles for print media. If I say speech, then this will be mostly for screen readers. If I say all, then this will target all and apply styles to all of the media types. And if I don't specify a media type, it will target all by default. Most of the time, I just don't specify a media type because targeting all is often what I want to do anyways. Inside the parentheses, we can add our breakpoint. Our header breaks on a width of 1231 pixels, so inside the parentheses, I can say max width 1231 pixels. Here, I'm using max width, but another option instead of max width is min width. They behave differently though, and understanding both is very important. Take this title for example. It's just an H1 of Hello World. If I define a media query and use a max width of 500 pixels, this will target screens below the breakpoint of 500 pixels. Inside the curly braces, I'll select the H1 and give it a color of red. So now, for example, when I resize the page down, because I'm using a max width, our color of red will be applied once we go below 500 pixels. If I change max width to min width, it does the opposite. Instead of targeting screens below the breakpoint of 500 pixels, it'll now target screens above 500 pixels. So when I resize the page up, a media query with a min width of 500 pixels will apply our color of red once we go above 500 pixels. If you design your website desktop first, then you would use max width to make your website responsive on smaller viewports. If you design your website mobile first, then you would use min width to make your website responsive on larger viewports. Back in our header example, inside the curly braces of our media query is where we can select elements and apply styles on them. Looking at our header, we see our title, our menu, and our button are too large for this breakpoint. When I reach this breakpoint of 1231 pixels, what I want to do is change the font size on Alt-3 to something smaller. I can select the title by its class name of header underscore underscore title. The title has a default font size of 2 rem, so to reduce it, I'll give it a font size of 1.5 rem. I'll select the links by their class name of header underscore underscore link and give them the font size of 0.8 rem. The button shares the same font size as the links, so instead of selecting the button underneath the links, what I can do is add a comma after header underscore underscore link and select the button by its class name of header underscore underscore button. By adding a comma like this in between both class selectors, I can make them share the same font size. Looking at our header, when I resize the page down to 1231 pixels, instead of our header breaking, we see the font size on the title, the links, and the button being reduced. Now that we understand how media queries work, we can keep resizing the page down to see when our header breaks again. We see our header breaks on a width of around 925 pixels. To fix it, I added another media query with a breakpoint of max width 925 pixels. Inside the curly braces, I added the styles I wanted to fix the header, and I did the same again at around 600 pixels. Using media queries allowed me to define styles for various different breakpoints, and now our header is finally responsive. On our header component, we added media queries whenever the layout on the header broke. It is common for developers to build their entire website and then add media queries whenever the layout on their components break. However, there is an issue with this. Take this website, for example. It looks fine on the surface, but to make this website responsive, I had to use a grand total of 16 breakpoints. 16! That's a lot. And had this website been any larger in scale, I most certainly would have needed to use many more media queries, maybe triple. And the reason I'm using so many media queries is because I'm creating them whenever the layout on my components break. This might seem like the logical approach to making a website responsive. However, let's now take a look at an alternative solution. This is the portfolio website from my Build a Portfolio Website video. To make this website responsive, I only had to use a total of 6 breakpoints. I'm using 6 media queries for this website, and on the other website, I was using 16. Huge difference, and both websites are similar in size. They're both small, single-page websites. The reason I can use so few media queries on this website is because instead of creating them the moment a component breaks, what I did was use 6 predefined media queries and made my components responsive on them. As you can see, we've got a media query for extra small screens, one for small screens, one for medium screens, large screens, extra large screens, and extra large screens. Also, I'm using min width here because this website was created mobile first. By using predefined media queries, I was able to make this website responsive using only 6 breakpoints. Furthermore, using this method unlocks a new type of container. If I open the developer tools on my portfolio website, we see each section has a container utility class. On the right side of the developer tools, I can scroll down slightly to find the container utility class. I'll give it a border of 1 pixel, solid red. We see this added a red border around each section. The container utility class is important for a couple of different reasons. First, it makes sure that all of the sections are properly aligned. And secondly, look at what happens when I resize the browser. The moment the viewport touches the border, the container responsively shrinks. It only shrinks when the border is touched.
Introducing Locify.ai, a developer platform that leverages design-to-code AI to accelerate front-end development, converting Figma.
If we compare this to the older website, we see nothing is aligned, and when I resize the page, the containers are constantly shrinking. The containers on this website were created using the popular width of 90% and margin of 0 auto. This container is super popular, but I find it less elegant than my alternative solution where the containers only shrink when the viewport touches it. The portfolio website is a mobile-first website, so whatever I add outside of the predefined media crease is for default styles and styles for smaller viewports than our first breakpoint of extra small. Our container on smaller screens than our first breakpoint of 475 pixels has a width of 100%, a margin left of auto, a margin right of auto, a padding left of 0.5 rem, and a padding right of 0.5 rem. You could instead use the shorthand margin property and set it to 0 auto, but because this is a utility class, explicitly setting a 0 on the top and bottom could result in not being able to add a margin top or bottom to an element that shares the container utility class. This is why I don't use the margin shorthand here. Then, inside each media query, the container class is selected and given a max width with the same value as the one given to the min width of its breakpoint. This is what makes our container shrink only when the viewport touches it.
Okay, understood. Why our media query doesn't work? Because I was adding those media queries at top of my style sheet. It should be add at the end and no need of extra classes, I think. Yeah, I think no need of extra classes. Yeah, only this container class is enough. Yep. Okay, let me check. Okay. So first we have to check the original one. So let me go to developer options and where is this? Yep, this one. Okay. No, okay. 515. Okay, when this is less than or equal to 515 px width, then it changes. Okay. Yep. Yep. I think. Okay. Let me do this. I think. Okay, go to this. Yep. The look. Okay. Delete. So first of all, I have to find any container style I have written before. I think I don't. I didn't actually. Okay. Let's uncomment this. Control S. Okay. Now, yeah. Why this happens? Okay, I think I understood. Sorry. I think this property I do not need. Margin bottom. This is top and bottom, but okay. I think I have to do this first. Yep. I think this works. Yeah. Yeah. This works. Now, okay. I don't need this. Okay. Auto left margin left and right is auto, and this is 50%. But why this isn't centered? Why the one side is only reducing? I think I have added something wrong. Okay, every block element is okay. So if I give adding left something like 300 px, let's see. No, doesn't work. But why this is okay, but why this one creating problems? Sorry. Okay, let me see this. Yeah, it shrinks. How to add this shrink effect? Okay, 400 px is like standard minimum, I think. Okay. How can I do it? Yep, given with 100%. (570px) mean width. Okay, let me go to where it doesn't grow, but it shrinks. It shrinks. Okay. Okay. Oh. So 68. Ah. Okay. There. When mean width is 576px. Okay. So when the screen is larger than 576px, then the effect will be applied. The only effect on the container is like max width. Okay, like maximum width is like it will grow up to 540px. Okay, let me see the max width property. Max width. The max width property sets the maximum width of an element. It prevents the used value of the width property from becoming large. Sorry. Okay. They have added some. I think they've added some 3.12. I think 125 rem. Okay, 3.125 rem. Auto. Yeah. Let's go to our page. Okay. Yeah. Let's add media. Like, what was that? (576px). 576. Max 540px. Okay, gives 100%. Okay, let me see the. Okay, nice. Yep. After 5, I think what was that? 576px. It will reduce. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. And 768px. Okay. So yeah, let's start. Yeah, yesterday I was like I have added the effect. Let me on that. Yeah, this one. This is not reducing, not that like stretching effect. It is like just staying at a maximum width. Okay, now I can do like what can I do? Okay, let me add another media. I think okay. Think 740 px dot container. Sorry, max width on like 720 px. Okay, now check. It is not shrinking, but I don't know. They have done something like there's something I need to. How this zooming effect is working like. Oh, this is so smooth. Why is not mine? Maybe. Okay, that's why. Okay, understood. If I give the 50% width, then after 50% width it will reduce up to according to the display size. But if I give width 100%, then in every frame, what is the width, it will take full width. Okay, understood. I don't know. I am telling it correctly or not. So yeah, what I understood I told. So if the screen size is 576, I think there should be a maximum width also. I was like I was seeing a video yesterday. So there is a 6 or 7 screen sizes to add the responsiveness, like XL or XS something. So I have written it down. Let me apply those. Okay. What are I have written it down in my notebook. Yeah. Okay. This is a part of Bootstrap framework, CSS styling framework. I have I think you have also known this word Bootstrap. So I think they have also applied those sizes, but not as a Bootstrap, as a media query. Okay. So let me also apply mean width. Okay, 576. This is not 740. This is 768. Sorry, 768 px mean width will be, and it will be 720 px. Yeah, max width. Yeah, and if let me add all those. Let me see. This is a experimental project, so that I can learn better CSS styling. So there was 992 px and dot container max width would be 960 px. Yep. And another one. Okay, let me add an enter. Yep. Then at media next minimum width is more larger screens, 1200 px dot container. I think I've written the wrong spelling. Okay, max width would be 1140 px and last one is min width is 1400 px and dot container max width is like 1320 px. Yep. Okay. Let me see those effects are actually working or not. Yep. But I think the width yeah, it is like 760 up. Okay, after 768 it is like after 760, when it is greater than 768 it taking 960 px. Okay, but the 768 px, no, it is not that like not like mine. Like this is, yeah, this one. I think there is no need to add this mean widths, as because I think these properties, these add rule properties are added for to keep the website more like more good to see. I think, I don't know how to say, but I think like this one, like if I let's open MDN docs. Okay, look, this is a filters. Okay, this is a filters or the content list, and this is the topics of this article. Okay, now if I inspect this, okay, now yeah, look, when the width is 688 px, the portion of the left side are shrink down to this button. Okay, now if I open this one, this I think yep. Where are those tools? No, not this one. I think those one. Look, this one here. The whole filter part are suppressed into this button. Okay. Now if I increase the width, look, I think after 768 px this appears. Okay, but if I think I can't, yeah, if I add more width, look, if I add more width greater than okay, look, this is the mobile format. If I open this website on a mobile, then the website will be look like this. Okay, this is the smallest mobile size. If I like, this is a medium size mobile. Okay, if I increase the size, okay, if I increase more the large size, okay, if I go to tablet 768, okay, nice. Okay, this is the responsiveness. Now this is laptop. Yeah, laptop. Okay, look, in this article this part was on the right side in my original display size in my laptop. Okay, but when this is the least size of a laptop, like Apple MacBook Air, it holds the most smallest size. I think in recent times it holds the most smallest size. I don't know, in my opinion, it is also my opinion, but yeah, for those type of laptops, like 13 inch, 11 inch. Okay, this display will look like this. Okay, in this display, and if I more extend the display size, like my 15-inch laptop, so it will look like this. And if I increase the display size more, then this will be like this will be reducing. Okay, I think this is enough, I think. And this is the most maximum size. The website will be look smaller on those displays. It is a funny thing. Okay, like I think I could understand the topic, what I want to say. I don't know, but this I don't know how to do it. I'm stuck. I think I have to see some I think I have to take off this this form. Okay, I have to. I think I have to. I have to learn more on CSS. So I think I will stop this. I will hold this project. Okay. After learning the CSS, I will return to this project and I will upload the videos. From now I will I'll stop this web development project and I will learn more about CSS, and after one week after learning CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap, I'll return on this project and I will apply more stylings, more professional stylings I will add. Okay, so I think I hope you understand my situation. I am stuck here, so yeah, so let it be and I will return after gaining more knowledge on CSS. Till then, you can watch my previous videos, and you can also build this. This is a like this is a like free. This project is on freecodecamp.org website, and I will attach the link of that course in the website. And I am not promoting FreeCodeCamp. Okay, and this is, I think it will be much better that if you are in a course like BTech in CSE like mine, so you can also work with me simultaneously. It will be much better for you and me also. I will learn also from you. Please let me know in the comment section by commenting. And yeah, so I'm stopping this video. Okay. Sorry.